If you are watching this video, chances are you're looking to grow your business and you're interested in creating a YouTube ad. I'm sure you've seen them on YouTube. They're everywhere. You can't watch a video without seeing them. You may have been frustrated with them. Irregardless, your curiosity is piqued. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can create a YouTube ad that will grow your business. You're going to want to stick around because there's a lot of key elements, like how do you capture people's attention? Like how do you make it so people don't want to skip it? 2, how can you build trust with people with your video? And 3, how can you inspire that viewer to take action? So before I go into those details, how do YouTube ads work? So this is what's really cool is it's cool and scary, right? Google has all this information on people. So for example, let's say that you're looking up how do I get a six-pack on Google. So you type in how do I get a six-pack? You want to get your abs, you want to get in shape, who knows? You're searching that though. So you're studying that. And then let's say you go to YouTube and all of a sudden, and you're watching a cat video, right? But all of a sudden an ad pops up. It's like, hey, let me share with you how you can get a six-pack. Like there's ads that pop up based off what you're searching for. I'm sure you've had that experience where you're like, how did this ad pop up? Are they reading my mind? Well, chances are you're searching for specific things online, and because Google's Google and Google owns YouTube, what they search for on Google will then be shown to you as ads through Google, the Google network, and also YouTube. So look, we know they have data on you, they have data on me. We might as well be able to take advantage of that and help us grow our businesses, right? Because I believe that a great business has a product or service that will actually add value to the end user. So how do you create a YouTube ad that will grow your business? So again, when it comes to these ads that you can skip after 5 seconds, the cool thing with YouTube ads is you don't have to pay for that view before 30 seconds. The first key is how do you capture people's attention, right? And you want to speak to the audience. Who are you talking to and why should they keep listening? Because the cool thing is if you can qualify that person, they're going to want to keep watching it. And the other good thing is if you share your hook with them and they're not interested, they'll skip the ad. And that's great because now you don't waste your ad spend, you don't waste your time. It's a win-win situation. So we had a client where we created a YouTube ad and she had this great way of teaching people how to create these online courses. And not only could she teach you how to create these courses, but she could teach you how to sell these courses. So the very first thing that she said to grab people's attention is, I want to share with you how you can create and scale an online course to 6 or 7 figures. So the nice thing with that hook is if you don't want to create courses, that's fine. You're going to skip the ad. If you are creating courses and you want to sell more of your online course, you're probably going to want to watch the ad and hear what she has to say. When you have a great hook that qualifies the right audience and disqualifies not the right audience, you're saving them time and you're saving yourself ad spend, right? Because the cool thing with YouTube is people can choose whether they want to keep watching or they can choose to skip. So again, you want to capture people's attention by speaking to their pains or desires. I mean, remember, people are on YouTube to solve a problem or be entertained. So if you can find an entertaining way to solve people's problem, lead with that and that'll be huge. The second step is once you have their attention, like you need to keep that and you need to build trust. And the best way to build trust, especially if it's an ad or a video, is to not talk about yourself and talk about the audience, right? They say good marketing is about a product or service, but great marketing is about the audience and their problems or desires. So focus on the audience. What challenges or pains are they going through? And find ways to solve those problems, right? That's how you build trust. And if you have a story to share, a personal story, that stories work great too. So that's one of the best ways to build trust is to share stories or results about what your audience has seen and how your product or service has been able to benefit them. So that's how you build trust. And once you have their attention, once you've been able to establish a little bit of trust, the next step is to invite them to take action, right? There needs to be a reason why you're advertising. You probably have a product or service that will actually benefit someone's life. And the only way that they know you exist is one, they have to be aware of you, but then two, you need to invite them to take action. So what is that next step after they watch the video that's going to help them get that result quicker? I laughed one time. I was on this phone call with a potential client. They're like, "Hey, we want to do this video," and I'm like, "Okay, great. Like, what's the purpose of the video?" And they said, "Oh, we like, what's the goal of the video?" And they said, "Oh, we want people to be aware of us. The goal is to get awareness." And I said, "Well, the funny thing when it comes to advertising is awareness is guaranteed. It's guaranteed that people are going to be aware of you. So once they're aware of you, then what do you want them to do?" And they said, "Oh, that's a good point. Well, we want them to go to our website and fill out this form. You can help people get cheaper rooms at hotels." So that was a huge benefit for them. So, okay, great. The call to action on this video is to save people money by booking, like going through your service, so you can save people money when it comes to booking hotels. So, yes. Okay, great. So the purpose of the ad was not to get awareness. The purpose was to save people money by filling out this form. That was the call to action. I think you need to invite people to act. So that's how you create, those are 3 simple steps that you can use to create a YouTube ad that will grow your business. Remember, focus on the first 5 seconds. What can you say or do or show in the first 5 seconds that's going to capture the attention of the right types of people? 2, make sure that you focus on the audience and not on your product or service in the video. And then 3, once you can show that you can solve their problems, invite them to take action. And when you get all these 3 things, you're going to attract the right people to your website, and you'll be able to see that traffic come in and those leads come in, and that's when advertising becomes really fun. So hopefully this was helpful. If you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one.